कि खूबोर का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Sorkar jala klaminjur daga tender committee ke Thymmai ben page hakabiya day bat kajing Aiti shaka company ke Thymmai ya ki EMRI 108 hakajing kran bekla pathai kubor ke menteri ke kakya ke Sorkar jala ke Dr. Amprinding do kalong ba ke Sorkar kala ajminjur haka nyotri ujemang arajar pusau ya ke company bat haka kenti ke pentikna ba ke Sorkar kan shim dakarai ke babiang hakabiya day ba kajing jet ke company.
So that all of these lacunae that resulted post-tender in the last two tenders that were called should not reoccur. We regret that that happened. We sincerely regret it, but we should not regret and not take action. So today I have approved the new tender committee, and this time we should do things correctly. We need not disclose everything, but I have said online departments are part of that. I cannot remember by heart, but I know that what we didn't do before, I am doing now. What?
108 functioning.
When you say tender means you're expressing willingness to work with a third party. Doesn't mean that the government is going to be running it. Right now, NHM is running it. Employees are quite satisfied, but unfortunately, NHM is not the correct forum or the platform to run the 108 because you have employees who are working in these things. Recently, there were two very serious incidences where our workers met with serious accidents. One of them is already certified as disabled. He has no benefit of post service benefits, no security, no insurances, no nothing. This cannot go on like this. I feel very bad for the workers. And in fact, we are zeroing down on what we need to do for these two workers who now are unable to go back to work. Had there been a functional company running the EMRI services, these workers would have benefited. So I'm engaging with government to see what would be the best thing to do for these kinds of individuals. Worker rights are being violated because we are not a fully functional, no authorized agency to run the 108 services.